Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I tell you about how to hide apps in your iOS settings and unhide apps in iOS 18. So let's start the video. Come to my mobile screen. So at first you select the apps, which apps you want to hide. So I am hide the stupid zombie games. At first you click the apps, then you see require face ID and click it require face ID, and you can see hide and require face ID. Then you click this and you can see the hide apps, these are coming. Then you can click the hide app and you can see there is no zombie games are there. You can see there is no any games are there. Where you can find the games, you can go to the hidden there in the scroll down and you can see app library hidden features and click it. Then you can see there is a zombie game is there. And how to unhide this game? At first you hold the game, click 2 seconds, and you can see don't require face ID and click it the option, and the game is there. You can see stupid zombie games. Okay, so this is the video. I think this video help you, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.